What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my basement. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I wanted to show you a project that I've been working on for about, I don't even know how long. Let me show you my CNC machine. Well, that's the CNC so far. I really didn't have much time to work on it. I taught myself how to weld. I'm basically coming up with the design as I think of things. Probably going to completely redesign the little sliding gantry that goes on the top right over here. But all in all, it's going to be awesome. I really wanted to do something like this for the experience, to learn how to weld, and to really, once I learn how to weld, I can really do a lot more. I've been working on a robot for the longest time. I don't know if any of you have read any of my blog articles, but the software piece is coming along quite nicely. I'm basically writing an operating system for a robot, and now it's coming to the point where I want to test it, and I need a platform that I can test it on, and the only way I can think of doing that is making one. Ooh. For testing and autonomy and things like that, the three-wheel platform is going to work great. Also, I want to build the robot just in time for the first snowfall. I can attach a snowblower to it, have it shovel the sidewalk so that I don't have to. Well, that about does it for this episode. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my blog at cerebraldad.com. And if you'd like to support me, you can find me on Patreon at patreon.com/cerebraldad. I'll check you guys next time. See you later.